All right, this is the final lab of the year, or semester or whatever, session, whatever you want to call it. And so that's the good news, and it's a fairly simple one, so that's the good news also. Anyhow, first of all, they're going to talk about some things about angle of incidence and angle of reflection, and based on this part here, you're going to put what you think that is. All right. Then after that, you have a video. All right. Um, Down here, I don't ask me why it's down there below all that, but it is. Anyhow, um, anyhow, when you do this experiment, it's going to ask you to make at least 5 to 10 measurements. Okay, so make sure you do that. You'll be measuring the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. All right, and like I said, I'm not sure why that's down here now. It used to be up there, but anyhow, the only tool you have would be a protractor in order to measure the angles. All right, and if you put this in there, then if you get on here, you can move it where you need it. Do not put the little dot on the blue frame right there, but you need to put this little white part right here. You want to put the white part right in the middle of that hole in the middle of the axle of the wheel. Okay. And then if we'll get over here to where we have some measurements, okay, you're going to spray some particle stuff in the air to make the smoke, to make the lasers that are mounted on the actually one laser that's mounted on. All right. And for each of these, then you're going to be measuring the incident angle, which would be here from 0 to where the light ray is coming in. And then you're going to be measuring the angle on the other side. Okay. And then you'll be recording those on your chart, and then you will post them on your graph. Now, when you get that, you can click on the vertical axis that says select your data. Technically, I would tell you we're changing the angle of incidence, so I would put it over here on the y-axis, and that changes the angle of reflection, so we're going to put it on the x-axis, but technically it would probably work either way, but that's the way I would recommend doing it. And other than that, I think that's pretty much straightforward, and then you will be done. That'll be your last lab, and you will be finished. Hope you've enjoyed them, or at least survived them. Have a great day.